Thank you.
Oh God, here you go. Your perfect.
Yes, I'm gonna try this bad boy.
This is hot. Unboxing my Whopper.
That TV looks bomb, so I'm gonna try it.
Ooh, okay, there's a little something. And my Whopper. Can't go wrong with Whopper. Done. Burger?
It's okay. It's good. Better
Okay,
than
my burger.
what I exactly expected.
I could already tell how it's gonna taste like.
Have a bite.
No.
Can I have a bite? I like Whopper.
Exactly how I expected it to taste like.
Hey, we might have a real bad snowstorm, right?
Really?
I don't know. Like this year or this winter. But you know how this year we actually want the snow?
I always want snow.
Not me.
Never snows. This is life.
This is real good.
You know, our phones are so smart to the point where it's kind of getting scary. Whatever. I have nothing to hide.
I'm screwed.
Well, that wasn't elementary.
Mm.
Like, our teacher asked us this question, like, if you had to pick like camera every corner of like a street
For your safety.
for safety, or it does that violate your private.
Check you on your elementary.
This was elementary, junior high.
Wow.
I was like, well, it's for my safety. I have nothing to hide.
I actually don't mind that.
I think when I was younger, do you think you looked for more privacy when you were younger or now?
When I was younger, no.
You didn't.
I was younger.
Now you do.
Mm-hmm.
We have never seen this place so busy in our lives. We had a different course in mind, but that place is closed today, so we came to another one, and this place is booming. Hello. Tom's went like 2 feet. 뭐하냐? By third hole, Tom's gonna be saying how he hates golf and he's gonna quit. So first hole. There's a group before us. They're like
not even like a little bit of a December day. So
we'll be lucky if we play up tonight. Hi everyone. We're just putting in some gas right now. We are heading to get some dinner. Oh, it's been a long day. Oh, we're tired. Probably not staying out very long.
You can't. People who's not vaccinated can't do anything. That's what next semester everything's online. That's
Really?
what I
Again?
heard. Oh.
나 loan 다시 포스트했으면 좋겠다.
And did it May 1st? Yeah.
Mine didn't.
So every single.
No, I didn't email it.
He just
No,
passed
it was in the news. Yeah, are we buying a Lambo, baby?
That's what I thought. Take you like time in the car.
The whole thing's done. Oh, all we have to do is like, oh, that's how we could have ended. No. 만만해.
Was he drunk?
In Japan, at least I tried to speak Japanese. He's like, no shame, no, yes. No. What is this? I'm like, what the hell?
Regardless where you live, countryside or whatnot, in Asia.
아, 맵다.
Yeah. Do you really want to wait and say no? Yeah, there. 이거 맛있다.
So for half a day in the car. No diet, no internet.
Screaming, swearing. And she's like, I raised you wrong. I'm like, you never raised me. And then this is the first time meeting my mom.
No, because you were frustrated about.
That's like last saying.
Just like I have no idea.
So I did not want to be there. I was so uncomfortable.
I thought that random guy was...
나 그런 거잖아.
Not really.
That's not the thing. You know.
Those are cheap. Me and her went to Busan. I only asked for an address.
Hello. No.
Salute.
So, oh, I like this ice cream. This is what I like. I like it. We just grabbed some ice cream cone and we're gonna head home. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. God, look at my hair. So I slept without drying my hair because I was so tired. I was editing on my bed. So I want to do like everyday body check because I stopped weighing myself. Or this camera, I don't know. When will this be gone? Go away. So my breakfast, I'm gonna have some pressure cooked eggs, some whole soy milk. This one is a bit sweet, so pretty good. The moment I crack this, I'm gonna summon Ame. It's really hot though. 뜨거. Look how cute. He's on his way. Because my parents eat a lot of boiled eggs or like these eggs, they know how crazy I'm gonna get over it. So they've been grabbing it very secretly, going into the bedroom and then crack it, but that doesn't work on Ame. He's like knocking on the door. It's so funny. Aren't you sick of eggs? Jeez. Ame, it's snowing! It's snowing! How happy he is! Snow, 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 snow! So I just finished working out. It was actually my first day at an actual gym, so I've been working out at home. But recently I've been like kind of into weights. Like I love working out at home, but I also wanted to be at a gym when I wanted. So like I wanted to like go back and forth. Maybe if I go with Tong, it'll be more efficient and effective workout. But when I went today, I just felt like it was like mediocre. I couldn't really push myself as much as I wanted. I tried to do like heavier weights. Like I know that right now the COVID cases are increasing more than before, so I don't know if they're gonna have a lockdown. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna be something where like they're gonna schedule. Actually, I would prefer that. I would feel more comfortable that way. Does this look appetizing to anybody? It's just tofu, egg, shrimp, ham, pasta, marinara sauce, and sriracha. Good morning. Oh man, what's wrong with you, man? Skinnier than yesterday. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Look at him. Good morning. Oh, I'm so sore from yesterday. I think I mentioned before that I'm not too picky about what I eat, I guess. I just really care about the portion. And in this kimchi stew, I picked up a lot of tofu. I'm not eating any rice with it. I'm not like trying to lose too much weight too fast. I've been wanting to eat whatever is available instead of like going out of my way. Staying with my parents made that a lot easier. It's great actually. Oh, do you know who won the golf? It was good. He won with the birdie.
Wow, what a...
Yeah. That's mine.
Yeah, boy.
Ooh, this looks good too. Let's share.
Yeah, I know.
Salad to Panda Express, huh?
Let's go get salad.
Oh,
Turned
yes.
into...
What is that?
Alrighty. Hopefully,
think
hey man,
fried-
if I'm eating this much carb, I have to run tomorrow. Be ready, alright?
Feeling very sleepy after all these carbs. But it was worth it. Very delicious. Food coma. I'm gonna just nap here for a little bit. 찜질방 가고 싶어. I love you.
Olive juice.